Initially, I got into raising worms out of desperation. All of my hustles simultaneously dried up, and I got caught flat-footed. When I made those other videos and I kept saying, I can't wait for the apples to get here, this is what I meant. That's a pile of apples. I have one more load. Phew! With no prospects on the horizon, I stood in the door of my RV, looked out, and took inventory of the resources available. There were bushels and bushels of fallen apples, and in the corner of the garden, there were several yards of old garden soil. Two things that were considered waste by pretty much everyone, including me at the time. Everything else came in the learning. Well, that was a pretty good lick. Oh, the camera's cooking. That was a pretty good lick. Got them all but one tree. They're starting to really rot now. They love it. There's so much free feedstock out there. When Pippa gave me your number, she said you guys had some apples. Oh, well, good. I'll just ring you tomorrow. Welcome to Boonville. Even in a tiny town this size, this is Boonberry. They have a juice bar, vegetable stand, opportunities everywhere. Hi! Okay, let's see what I've got here. I've got apples, pears, and I've got a ton of others.
Yep, that's your
yes, I brought them.
It's not too heavy. Yeah.
Under the wheel.
Great. Which isn't very heavy. Great.
Yeah, good.
Well, if you have more, if you're interested, I mean, I can be in touch. Great. Well, I'm so glad.
Yes.
We didn't want these to go to waste.
I've had the worms will eat them all.
Yeah, good. Okay, thanks, Kim. I'm really glad.
All along this street are businesses, and that's food waste. That's an untapped resource. And acres and acres and acres of grapevines. This is Anderson Valley Brewery. And look at these big tanks. They're processing a lot of hops here. So the point of this whole video is just to show the availability of feedstock. This town, this valley, this is a small place. And just getting out and telling folks what I do. As soon as people hear what you do, they want to give you their food. Initially, I was taking people's food waste and folks don't always follow the rules on that one. People were putting in meat, food cooked in oil, dairy. And by the time the stuff got to me, it was all kind of rotted into one big goo, so I couldn't tell until I put it into my worm bed. In a couple of spots, the beds went anaerobic. All of a sudden, I was attracting the wrong kinds of bugs. Non-composters. Thumbs down on the food scraps. Food waste from the juice bar, all day long. He's at the place where I just got my pizza. He's an organic market. So a lot of the stuff, his eggs, I could get eggshells there. He has chickens. It's grape harvesting season right now. All these tractors driving along with these bins on the back. Those bins are about to be filled with grapes. I imagine having a place here big enough so that I could take all of this waste, all of these fills of grapes, the hops from the brewery, all of the waste from the organic producers downtown and the vegetable markets. So many growers here have feedstock to offer that's just there for the taking. And I imagine how much vermicompost that could make. We could blanket the valley. So that's about it for today. I just wanted to talk a little bit about feedstock. I hope you enjoyed the ride through Boonville. I'm almost home now. Isn't it pretty? I'm a lucky girl. Thanks for watching.